Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes, and our today's topic is hello students. We were discussing the Heron's formula chapter, and we were in the exercise 12.2, which is the last exercise of this chapter, and we are coming at the end of this exercise along with the chapter. So children, in this exercise, I have already discussed up to question number 7. So now only two questions left in this exercise. That is question number 8 and 9. So these all are also simple question. The question number 8 is a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. Suppose there is a design on a floor consisting 16 tiles which are triangular. The shape of the tiles are triangular and the sides of the triangular tiles are being given 9 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Figure is also given, the figure of design. Now you are supposed to find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So this is the question. Now children, in this question, first we write the size of the square triangular tiles. The size of the sides of each triangular tiles are, which is 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of each tiles, and each tiles is in the shape of triangle. It means that we have to find the area of triangular shaped tiles. So since first you calculate S equals to, as you know, that the sum of all three sides of triangle. So it will be 9 plus 28 plus 35 by 2. When you add it together, (36 centimeter). This is the S, which is semi-perimeter. When you add 9 plus 28 will be, I think, 37, and 37 plus 35, 35 plus 35 will be 70, and 37 plus 35 will be 72. So when you divide 72 by 2, you will get 36 centimeter as the semi-perimeter of the triangular shaped tiles. Now you calculate the area of each triangular tiles by using Heron's formula will be equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Here S is 36 into 36 minus 9 into 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 35 under root. Now on simplifying it, we have 36 into 36 minus 9 will be 27 into 36 minus 28 will be I think 8. Yes, 8, and 36 minus 35 will be 1. So now this is your required Now we need to do factorization. So 36, as you know that it can be written as 6 into 6. So you write 36 as 6 into 6, and 27 can be written as 3 into 3, and 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. It means what? It means that this is your under root. Okay. Now take out one number for each pair. So when we take 1 6, take out, then 1 3 out, 1 2 out, then there will be only 3 into 2. It means that 6 into 6, 36 under root 6 will be its square root. Because when you add it, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6. Yes, this is your area of each square tiles. Now the area of 16 is, there are 16 triangular tiles in the design. So now you calculate the area of 16 such tiles equals to 16 into the area of one tile, that is 36 under root 6 centimeter square. Now when you multiply 36 with 16, so it will be 6, 7, 5. So it will be 576 under root 6 centimeter square is the area of 16 such tiles. So hence, now you need to find the cost. So area of design निकल गया, area of design equals to 576 under root 6 centimeter square. Now we need to find the cost of polishing the tiles will be what? 50 paisa. So 555 by 100 into 576 under root 6. So this is your required amount of money per centimeter square. Okay, 50 paisa. So when you multiply it, you will have 55 by 100 cancel by 5. Yes. So it will be 11. It will be 20. Now cancel it by 2. 2 to ja 4. 1 7. 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 ja 288. And it will be 10. So when you multiply by 288 by 11, you will have 8. 316.8 under root 6 rupees. So this is your required amount of polishing the tiles of the triangular tiles. So I think this is your required answer from exercise 12.2. 12.2. The question is question number 8. 12.2 question number 8. Okay, 705.60. Now you need to write the value of root 6 also. So root 6 will be more than 2, so it will come. Just you find the square root of under root 6 and thereafter you will put here and multiply, then you got your answer. So what we have done in this question, first we calculate the area of one triangular shape tiles and thereafter we multiply the area of one tiles with the number of tiles which was 16 in the design, and after that we find the cost of polishing, which is given rupees 55 per centimeter square, which we convert in the rupees by dividing it 100. So in this way children you can solve this question. Now we are coming to the last question of this exercise as well as this chapter. So let's see. How can we solve this? The question number is IP question number 9. And the question number 9 is saying that a field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. You need to find the area of the field. So first we draw the trapezium. This is your question number 9. A field is in the shape of trapezium. Suppose this is the shape of trapezium, which is these two are the non-parallel sides and these two are the parallel opposite sides. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter. Suppose this is your 25 meter and this is your 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. These are non-parallel sides which are 14 meter and 13 meter. Now we are to calculate the area of this trapezium field. So let's label it. Suppose it is A, B, C, D. Now in children, we know that to calculate the area of trapezium, we need the distance between their parallel sides or height of the trapezium. So first we have to calculate its height. Thereafter only its area can be calculated. So to calculate the height, we need to do construction. What type of construction? Draw a line from C parallel to AD. This one is parallel. Suppose it is E. So when AD is parallel to C and AE is parallel to DC, then it becomes parallelogram. So opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so it will be 14 meter. And this was 10, so this will be also 10 meter. It means the remaining distance will be of 15 meter. Okay. And now you draw an altitude in this triangle. Suppose it is F, perpendicular. So first we write let ABCD be a trapezium in which parallel sides are AB and CD. Since AB equals to 25 meter, CD equals to 10 meter and AD equals to 14 meter and BC equals to 13 meter. It is given. Now what we have done? We draw CE parallel to DA. When C is parallel to DA and AE parallel to DC, so AECD is a parallelogram, and we know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, AE equals to DC equals to 10 meter and AD equals to CE equals to 14 meter. The reason is that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So in this way these two sides are equal. And one more thing, and we draw CF perpendicular on BE. So EB equals to, and EB equals to, it will be AB minus AE, which is 25 minus 10 equals to 15 meter. Now you calculate the area of the triangle BCE by using Hero's formula. In triangle BEC, S equals to the sum of three sides, that is 15 plus 14 plus 13 by 2. 15 plus 14 will be 29, 29 plus 10 will be 39, plus 3 will be 42 by 2, that is 21. Now area of triangle BEC will be, by using Hero's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, under root will be 21 into 21 minus 15 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 13, under root. So we have 21 into 6 into 7 into 8. Now simplify it. So after simplifying, we have this 21 can be written as 7 into 3, and 6 can be written as 3 into 2, and there is 7, and this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, under root. So after 7 is in pair, so take out 1, 3 is in pair, take out 1, 3, and 2 is in 2 pairs, so take out 2, 2 is outside. So your area of this triangle 7 3 is 21 into 2, 42 into 2, 84 meter square is the area of this triangle. After getting the area of triangle, again you apply the formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle BEC equals to half into base into height. Base, that is 15, into height CF equals to 84. So from here you can have CF equals to 84 into 2 by 50. So this is your CF. So when you cancel it, then I think it will go like 3 times. So it is 5 and 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 2 4 3 8 ja. So now it will be 28 2 ja 56 by 5 meter. This is your height. Now we need to find the area of trapezium. So apply the formula here. That area of trapezium is area of trapezium ABCD equals to half into sum of parallel sides, that is AB plus CD, and distance between them, that is CF. So this will be half into AB is 25 plus 10 into CF is 56 by 5. So on solving it, we have 1 by 2 into 35 into 56 by 5. 5 7 ja 35 and 2 28 ja. So your answer will be 28 into 7, 196 meter square is your required answer for this question. So I think 196 meter square is the required answer of this question. This is your exercise 12.2. Question number last. Yes, 196 meter square. So children, I hope that all of you have understood it. The question was saying that ABCD is a trapezium in which the parallel sides are 25 meter, each 10 meter respectively, and non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter respectively. And now you are supposed to find the area of this trapezium. So first we draw the figure, and in construction we draw a line CE parallel to DA. CE is parallel to DA and AE is parallel to DC, so this becomes parallelogram. AECD becomes parallelogram, and we know that the opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. So DC equals to AE equals to 10 meter, AD equals to CB equals to 14 meter. Now AB was 25 meter and AE is 10 meter, so EB will be AB minus AE, that is 15 meter. This is 14 meter, this is 13 meter. And now we draw a altitude of this triangle, that is CF. Now we apply the Heron's formula in triangle BCE, and we calculated its area, which is 84 meter square. After getting its area, again we apply the area of this triangle by the general formula of the triangle, half into base into height. Area is known, so we have taken the area as 84 and half base equals to 15 and altitude is to find. So from here we got the altitude of this trapezium or perpendicular distance of this trapezium. After getting the perpendicular distance of the trapezium, we apply here the formula for area of trapezium. We know that the area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel sides and distance between them. Here parallel sides were AB and CD, so we have written half into AB plus CD, and perpendicular distance was CF, so we have written CF, and we substituted the value of all things. So half into 25 plus 10 into 56 by 5, so 25 plus 10 will be 35, so it will be half into 35 into 56 by 5. 5 7 ja 35, get cancelled, and 228 ja 56. So we finally be left with 28 into 7. So after multiplying it, we got 196 meter square is the area of this trapezium field. And in this way, this exercise and along with the chapter has been completed. Now children, all of you are advised to revise these questions again and again to make over commanding. Okay, thank you.